maybe a bit of side chain. So I like to use this thing, ShaperBox, for my side chaining. This is my preset I've got. The reason I like this is because it's a multi-band side chain, so you can side chain the tops, the middles, and the highs separately. So what I'll do is I'll kind of have it on 100%, so it's a big pump, and see if it sounds like it's too much. I don't think that sounds like it's too much to me. Without. No, that sounds really nice. That's grooving really nicely. It's important to always carve out space for the kick drum, especially when you're working in percussion. You know, I could have this sidechain not on, but it just, if you listen to the kick drum, it feels a bit like it's getting lost a little bit. And for this kind of music, you want that kick drum to just be cutting through straight to the front, no matter what else is on there.